Hi, my name's Sefton from Archant. I'm the sales director here. So we're often asked the question, what is the price comparison between Porcelain and Quartz? The direct answer to that question, Porcelain per square metre installed is going to cost around about $1,400. Compared to Quartz, it's going to cost around about $1,100. The point to remember, I believe, is that every single kitchen in New Zealand is different. Often just comes back to the size of your kitchen, and there's so many variables. Our simple recommendation is, first of all, work with your designer. So the question is, which benchtop will cost you the least in the long term? Porcelain or Quartz? The top-end kitchen design professionals will tell you that your designed kitchen will look just as in fashion in 15 years' time as it does today. But we also know that the average kitchen life will only be around about 10 years. But let's face it, Quartz has a warranty of 12 years, Porcelain has a warranty of a lifetime. Which will cost you the least? In summary, Porcelain. Another topic that is often discussed is costs around installation of your new kitchen benchtop. Which costs more to install, Quartz or Porcelain? In principle, both are large sheets, both are similar weight, so simply speaking, it should cost you similar. However, Porcelain has the book matching capability where, particularly in vein decors, the veining pattern will match up at joins. So you have to allow for sometimes additional material and additional time at point of installation. So we're often asked about the different features and benefits of each product. Firstly, about Quartz. What happens if I spill wine on my benchtop? Quartz is completely non-porous. It won't stain. You don't have to reseal it. You do need to be careful about heat. Quartz can be subjected to thermal shock if hot pots are put straight on it. So you need to avoid that. And never stand on your benchtop, change a light bulb. It can cause it to crack or break. Quartz benchtops are impact resistant, but like anything, don't go whacking heavy pots and pans onto your benchtop. If we jump over to Porcelain, the same can be said in the most part. It's very, very impact resistant. It's completely non-porous. It's very easy care, easy wipe. But the biggest single kicker for me is you can take a hot pot off your stove and put it directly on your benchtop, and it's completely heat-proof. It will not be subjected to thermal shock. In fact, it's the only benchtop we can say that. We do know in our busy kitchens we may not always be vigilant. We may be just in a hurry to produce our meal. Hot pot off your stove gets put on the benchtop. With Porcelain, you can have complete peace of mind. So about the current design trends, we're noticing Quartz is continuing to be a very, very popular choice, probably more of a mainstream commodity choice. We're seeing in a lot of common entry to mid-level kitchens being able to work with basic Quartz colours and Quartz products. But moving forward, design trends we feel, particularly in the mid to upper end, as Porcelain is becoming the benchtop of choice. The heat-proof qualities we've spoken about, the attractive decors, and the more and more ever competitive pricing is bringing Porcelain into that mainstream of affordable, functional, beautiful kitchen benchtops. So if you're requiring more information, head along to our website, www.archant.co.nz. On there you can read our very helpful articles, and you can also order your samples free. Or don't hesitate to head along to one of our showrooms in Parnell in Auckland, Wellington, Christchurch, and recently opened in Havelock North. We look forward to seeing you. Thank you.